Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a blank database. So we load up Access and click on blank database. We'll give it a name. Let's call it blue screen of death. You'll have to save it in your H drive. So create. So here, each column is a field. So we have ID. Do we have there? We can rename it because we decided we want fan ID. Okay, next we want, this is the data type, so short text, and we'll go with first name. Okay, and then another one that's short text, surname, another one, let's put in gender, another one, let's go with address, another one that we had was city, another one that we had was postcode. Oh yeah, so we've got date and time, so date of birth. Another one, let's go with telephone number. And then finally we had email. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so there we are. Save it as fan table, maybe. So you can edit it like that, or if you right click and go on design view, you can also change it here. So these are the names of our field, so fan ID, first name, surname, gender, address, city, postcode, date of birth, telephone number, email, and these are the types of data we're using. Oops. And yeah, you can change that here. So to create the table, you just do that.